Miss Callan the Ship here, and today we're going to make a super healthy lunch idea, and it's going to be a pita sandwich with hummus and veggies. So we can learn how to do this now, and then later on when you have the ingredients, you can make it yourself. So let's take a look at the ingredients. We're going to be using whole wheat pita bread. And so what food group does bread go into? Aha, greens, great. Then we're going to be using some tomatoes, some cherry tomatoes, and we're going to be using sprouts. Let's take a look at these sprouts. These are alfalfa sprouts. Sprouts are little veggies that you can buy or you can grow yourself from little seeds. So these sprouts started from these tiny little alfalfa seeds. And this is how small they are. Little tiny seeds. And you can put them in water and drain out the water and keep doing that for about 4 or 5 days. And pretty soon, those little seeds will sprout and make little roots and leaves. And then you'll end up with alfalfa sprouts, just like this. Or you can buy them from the store. That's even easier. So let's see, we've got tomatoes and sprouts. And those go under what food group? Veggies, yes, good job. Okay, now the last thing we have in the sandwich is hummus. And hummus is made out of chickpeas. And chickpeas are just like a bean. They're in the legume family. So they're like a pinto bean or a lentil bean or all those different kinds of beans. And do you know what food group they fall into? Did you guess protein? That would be right. Okay, so we've got 3 food groups today in this really healthy, really easy lunch. So what else do we need to make this lunch? We need a plastic knife, and some scissors could help us cut the tomatoes. And then we just need really a plate, and that's it. The first thing we have to do is wash our hands. So we're going to get our hands wet, grab soap, suds up, and wash for the time it takes to sing happy birthday twice. Get in between your fingers, get on your fingernails, wash and wash and wash, and then rinse. The second thing we have to do is wash our fruits and vegetables. Get everything nice and clean and ready to cook. The first step is to get our veggies together. And we decided we were going to use some cherry tomatoes. So we could cut these with the scissors. Let's cut them in half with scissors. You could also use a plastic knife for this. And then we decided we're going to use sprouts. And then what we have to do is just take our plastic knife and let's cut our pita bread in half with it. And now all we have to do is take our plastic knife and get some nice hummus. And we're going to put that in our pita, spread it in there all around. And now we're going to put in our veggies. So we'll add our cherry tomatoes, and we'll add our sprouts. And that's it. That's so easy. But wow, you could make this with so many different veggies, right? What could you use? How about cucumber or radishes or lettuce or cabbage or olives, spinach, shredded cabbage, radishes, arugula. Really, the possibilities are endless. You could make this sandwich so many different ways you wouldn't have it twice the same way in 1 week. So that's it. That's your super healthy lunch idea. And as long as you keep some pita bread and some hummus in the fridge, you can be sure you can make an easy snack or a nice lunch. Okay, so now you can take some time away from your screen and eat your healthy snack, and maybe you'll get a chance to make this snack sometime or have this for lunch. Bye!